driving pleasure is built into the CX-5 with every moving part of the vehicle. The engineering that went into it involves every aspect of the car and is designed to make the driver feel natural and balanced. G-Vectoring Control Plus is Mazda's exclusive technology that seamlessly adjusts power delivery and shifts vehicle weight to help provide a smoother, less fatiguing drive for you and your passengers. The predictive i-ACTIV all-wheel drive monitors wheel movement and forecasts possible traction loss, and then distributes the appropriate amount of power to the wheels, giving you a confident ride in all road conditions. The off-road traction assist is also there for you if you decide to take your journey off the pavement. Once activated, the off-road traction assist reduces wheel spin by applying brake force to wheels without traction and driving torque to each tire touching the ground. Traction is maximized to smoothly move the CX-5 over the terrain. Paddle shifters are available on Grand Touring trims and higher. The optional SkyActiv G 2.5T turbocharged engine comes with 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque, which means plenty of instant off-the-line power for acceleration and passing. What you feel behind the wheel of the CX-5 is the result of our passion for improving ride, responsiveness, and power delivery.